In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons on eBay. If you're new to the platform and you're looking to enhance your selling strategy or find ways to provide great deals to your buyers, this guide is just for you. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to use coupons effectively. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the right section of your eBay account. Begin by heading over to the Marketing tab, which you can find on your eBay Seller Hub. From there, you'll see an option for coupons. This area is where you'll be managing all your promotional tools and coupon strategies, so it's well worth bookmarking for future reference. Once you've arrived at the coupon section, the next step is to initiate the creation of your coupon. This is a straightforward process. Just look for the button that says Create Coupon and give it a click. eBay has made this user-friendly, ensuring that even those of us who might not be tech-savvy can navigate through without a hitch. This step is critical, as it sets the stage for the details you'll be preparing next. Now that you've accessed the coupon creation tool, it's time to sort out the discount details. Here, you'll have the opportunity to customize how your coupon works, including specifying the discount amount or percentage that you plan to offer. Think carefully about what will appeal to your buyers while still aligning with your profit goals. A well-thought-out discount can be a game changer for gaining traction and encouraging larger purchases. In this section, you can also add any terms and conditions or restrictions you'd like to apply to the coupon, so everything is transparent to your buyers. Once your coupon is created and ready to go, you'll want to share it with potential buyers to maximize its value. eBay offers you several ways to distribute these coupons, whether through direct messaging, email campaigns, or simply posting them on your listings. Think creatively about how best to reach your audience. Perhaps consider using social media or newsletters if you have them set up, to spread the word even further. Remember, the more people know about your coupon, the greater the chances of making those sales soar. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be equipped with a tool that can not only enhance your eBay selling experience, but also delight and attract more buyers. So get out there, leverage those coupons, and watch your business grow. Thanks for joining me today. And I hope you found this tutorial both useful and easy to follow. Happy selling!